Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richie back again with another video, and today it's an unboxing video and a video review for the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray release of John Wayne in the Searchers. This has been imported from the USA and it's part of the Warner Archive collection. The rumour is it's a Fidelity in Motion transfer. So let's get this one opened and check out the review of it. So here's a look at the outer slipcover. Not as fancy as they used to be when they first started, with the foil banner, metallic foil across the top. They have gone a bit cheap these days. But there's a look at the spine. The new Warner Brothers logo at the bottom in full colour for this USA release. Okay, so let's have a look at the back. There's John Wayne. So John Ford is the Searchers. There's a look at the special features which are on the Blu-ray. Dolby Vision logo in the bottom right hand corner. And the audio is, it says it's Dolby Audio English Mono. Which is a bit weird because we've got a DTS HD Master Audio logo in the bottom right. Okay, let's take the slipcover off and look at the keep case. Normal traditional 11mm keep case this. Looks like an Elite case. Let's have a look. So there it is. Same information on the back. Okay, let's have a look inside. We've got disc art on both discs. Okay, let's have a look at the specs again at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to have a look at the Blu-ray as well to see if it's a new transfer on there. Not much information given away on this release. It's a dual layer 50 gig for the blue. And the 4K is a triple layer 100 gig disc. And no reverse artwork. Okay, let's get this in the player and see how it checks out. Okay, upon inserting the disc into the Panasonic UB9000 player, which I'm using for this review, we are greeted with this menu system. So let's have a look at the special features. And we've got an old commentary there from a director. And let's have a look at the setup. We've got subtitles on or off. So that is basically it. Scenes. Looks like we've got 27 chapter stops. Right, let's hit play and have a look at some of these bit rates. Right, it's a 4000 nit mastered transfer. It's got a max CLL of 1357 nit and the average is 201. Okay, let's have a look at these bit rates. So the audio track is indeed a DTS HD Master Audio, and that's running at about 1.3 megabytes per second. The bit rate for the video, as you can see, is skyrocketing. Right, let's skip forward to the next chapter. Okay, so we can see it's maintaining quite high. Really nice spike there. Okay, let's get this disc ejected and try the Blu-ray disc and see what special features we've got on there. So Blu-ray is now in, and it looks like a new transfer, to be honest. Disc menu looks very much the same as the Blu-ray, but we've got a lot more special features here. So quite a few there. Let's have a look at any different. Nope, same audio tracks. And is it the same number of chapter stops? Yes, it is. Okay, we'll go in, just make sure the codec is new. Yep, so it's an it's a MPEG-4 AVC, and it's got the same DTS HD Master Audio 2.0 channel, which is running at 1.2 megabytes, 1.3 megabytes a second, and quite a nice high bitrate for the Blu-ray transfer. Just skipping through a few chapters here to keep an eye on it. Okay, at this point I'm going to put the 4K disc back into the player, and I'll take some screen grabs for you just to show you the HDR presentation for this great movie. Okay, so as promised, here's some screen grabs from the film. I thought overall it was a really good fine transfer. Picture looks amazing, really. It's always looked pretty good, the VistaVision imagery on the screen. But yeah, this 4K release is definitely worth adding to my collection. It is one of my favourite westerns, so I'm really pleased. So just going to leave you with these photos now. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, comment as usual, and subscribe or share. But again, thanks for watching. But there's a few more images to come, including a nice usage of HDR, which you can see here on these night shots, and a great detail on the medals. But again, thanks. Goodbye.